Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Planning and Design. As in the previous video, we have already discussed about customization of toolbar. Now in today's video, we are going to actually discuss about this menu bar, and there are different kind of tools and commands. As you can click here, right click on left click on the mouse. As you can see here, there are in every tool there are many kind of things, but we will not be discussing all of these tools. We will be discussing only tools which we have concern in our tutorial. So first of all, I am converting this background into this dark background into white, because I like the white background most, and I think most of professional use this white background. You just right click on your mouse and just go to options, and here as you in display you can see the options of color, and you can convert it from here in any color you want. For example, I am going to convert it into white, so just apply and close and OK. So in file option, as you can see here, the first thing here in new, if you wanted to open a new tab, in case if you have a neat drawing here and you don't want your rough drawing to be drawn here, you just go to new drawing, and the short key for this command is Ctrl N. Just simultaneously press Ctrl plus N, and then I think this is asking some kind of save location and these kind of things. I am just okay with that. And actually you can see at the bottom that our different tabs has been open, and you can also view it from window, and you can change your workspace. Actually I'm working in drawing 1, and I will go to drawing 1 from here. Now there are different kind of options like import, attach, save as, save. Actually this is the common option which we use in every software, save. And actually in every software the short key for this is Ctrl plus S. You should simultaneously press Ctrl plus S to save your drawing. And in case if you want to automatically save your drawing in AutoCAD, actually it provides an option of automatic save. But first of all, once you have to save your drawing, and then it will provide automatic save. Just right click on your mouse, go to options command, just go to open and save, and here you can see my automatic time is 1 minute. After every 1 minute it will provide an automatic save. You should check this box, and you can change time wherever you want, and you can just click apply and OK. Now the automatic save option is on, but we have to once save our drawing, then it will work. And actually there are now many kind of different things, like we have to go export option, and we will save our drawing in any kind of format we want, JPG and different kind of things, as you can see here. Now at the time being I'm not concerned with it, but we will discuss it in the upcoming videos, so just I am not concerned with it. First of all, and at the last thing, you can see that there are different options of page setup manager, plotter manager, plot review, these kind of things. When we have to save our drawing into PDF and plot it, then we can use these kind of things. And now at the case I am not going to use it, and in the end of the tutorial, when we have to make a house plan, we will convert it into PDF, and we will see all the setting about page setup manager and print command, inshallah. Now I'm just going to edit command. In edit command we are concerned with only 3 options: cut, copy and paste. But if we don't have any kind of drawing in our workspace, it will not work. But first of all, we have to draw a line. I am just drawing a line from here. As you can see here, what he is asking to specify our first point. I just want to left click here, and I have specified my first point, and I want to click, and just if we want to exit this command, I just press enter or escape. Now I am pressing enter. You can see that a line has been drawn in our workspace. Now what I am going to do, I am going to cut this line, and the short key is for this option, simultaneously press Ctrl plus X. At the time being I am using this from there, and actually what he is asking to select our object. This is our object. When you will select an object, it will turn into blue, as you can see here. Now I am just going to click enter. Now you can see if I click enter, this will be disappeared from this tab. Now as you can see here, as you know, in every software there is the option of Ctrl V for paste. So if I want to paste this, just press Ctrl V. Now you can see that this appeared again, and I am just dragging it and drop it here, as you can see. Now there are kind of many options like paste and copy. I recommend you to explore these options one by one to get better results in your drawing. Now the third option here is actually view, and first of all you can see many kind of commands here. First of all I will go to display. As you can see here, there at the bottom there is a UCS icon. If you drag your mouse like that, actually you have to click the wheel of your mouse, and for pen, short command for pen, this is actually a short command of pen. In every software I think you just click on your mouse wheel and drag it by your mouse and just click a line over it. For example, if in case we have that line, the UCS icon will create a distortion, so we can just turn off the UCS icon from here. We can go here, we can go to display, UCS icon. As you can see that this box has already been checked, just uncheck it, and you can see that the UCS icon has already been disappeared from here. Now if we want to show it again, just go to display, UCS icon, and check this box. And I am just deleting that line. Click this line and actually AutoCAD will show an automatic selection. Just click delete on keyboard. Now there are many kind of options, like if you want to zoom your drawing at real time, you can just click that and you will drag your mouse and you are seeing the results in the screen. Now another option is if you want to pan option, as I have already shown you, it can be done by clicking the wheel of your mouse. And there is the other option of orbit. Actually we will use this option in our 3D, but I am going to show you this. Now you left click on your mouse and drag your mouse. As you can see here, this will actually provide a different perspective of our drawing, and we don't want it in 2D, but we will have to have our concern with it in 3D. Now I'm just, if you want to, in AutoCAD, if you want to exit any command, you just can enter escape or enter. I'm just clicking on escape, and now I am again going back to my top view from here. And now in view, I go to again in view. Now there are different kind of options. One more command I am going to show you is clean screen. If we want to visualize our drawing cleanly and don't want these tools to be here, we just go to view option and we just click on clean screen. Actually it will provide a clean screen for us to view our drawing. Now I am going to uncheck this box. Now at the last I am going to discuss some kind of insert tools like DWG reference, DWG overlay, and these kind of things. Actually if we want to put anything in our drawing from internet, we will be using hyperlink command, and I will make a separate video on this command inshallah in the upcoming videos. Now I am going to show you that how to put a raster image in your drawing. Just go to here, raster image reference, and these are different kind of raster images. I am just going to concern with it. You can preview it from here. As you can see, this is an image of a tree. Alright, we are going to here and we will just OK with that, and we will click open. And now you can see that our image has been, this is actually asking a different kind of things, save location and these kind of things, but I am OK with the name and all kind of things. I will just click OK here, and actually it is asking for intersection of point. First I will click here at the bottom, left click mouse just here, and again if you drag your mouse like that, you will see that this will actually the photo is expanding, and again you should left click on your mouse to paste it here. And you can see the image of tree has been appeared here, and actually I think that it is taking too much time, and we will make from here we will make a part 2 of menu bar inshallah. And that's it for today's video, and thank you.